me dey get really lonely. Me did start with somebody else. Me never fall in love with him though. It was just for sex. Babe, don't be upset. It's not like me did love him.
T, a fool you take me for. Ow!
And nobody way you know.
Where him come from? What him name?
Him come from around here, so.
In the area? And you say me no know him? What him name?
Him name Teddy.
Teddy. Me know that person there, no Teddy. Around here, say him live, you know. Them boy no trustworthy around here, you know, man. Them, yo, man, I dig up me, let me fish up because I dig up my thing. So I see them boy, and it bounce like a ball in the youth. Watch me and them. Yo, hey, Toniann, watch you know. Yo, you have to go pint him out, you know. But,
Karim, meet Teddy.
my girl, me just come from a friend of yours, pressure me bear with foolishness. My girl, you actor? Yo, can't bother with you, you know. Me know I'm in a Teddy.
Come, let me get some water.
Yes, if you give me love and compassion, you're think about man. You know you about no man.
Calm down. I joke me and make.
Sure, I try to love you, no man, sure. Me no want you run them the joke with me, you know. You ever run them serious joke then?
I should like to look at you. Sorry.
Take bad things make joke. I prank you back. I prank you back. Can't imagine the serious joke there, because my heart
I
hurt.
will be taking baby. Oh, shit. Babe, your heart a beat fast.
So what do you expect? Now you tell me say you have man named Teddy. Or you give me a heart attack?
Let me get some water for you. Come on, I have stroke in here.
Alright. So tell me what I go on now. Tell me the truth now.
Well, we'll have to discipline a politician because he go like he want to take down the agency.
Politician? Who that? Marcus Wallace?
Nope. The one named Everton Daly will take Marcus Wallace's place.
So what go on? Why more lock on the agency for?
Should them know so we are the only one who can bring them to justice. And him corrupt.
Most of them corrupt, you know. So babes, you know, unafraid him come back after you know, a politician that you know?
Babe, trust me, him not even gonna try that. When I tell you so we'll put him under manners, we'll put him under manners.
And that for I'm to every one of them. Every one of them to put under manners. Who want too bad man?
Don't worry, babe. I just time. Oh, guess what? To get a promotion.
What? What kind of promotion?
I'm now a computer analyst.
That sound like big work. So, how you do? Hacking a people computer and system?
Karim. Well, yeah, but don't say it like that.
So T, you not forgot teach me. I have some boy forgot come down. No! You have to teach me, babes.
Hello, don't even think about it. This is strictly agency business.
Alright. Me understand.
Alright. But this is the truth. In real life, I meet somebody for true. It's a female. She named Vanessa.
So, when you say meet her, what you meet her? What you mean?
Karim, are we at... Really? Is the minister's sweetheart?
Hold on, let me get to understand this. You bring down the minister, and then you and the minister sweetheart apart?
Yeah, more or less.
So how that work? Him know say the tone apart?
Not really, but I can't give you much more information
Why?
because it's agency matter. So from time to time, she will pop up. That's what I'm gonna tell you.
Pop up here? So, you trust her so much?
It's a long story, but me give it to you in doses.
Alright. As long as you okay with it, I'm okay.
All right, let's talk about business now. The shop. You have any idea for it? Because me have an idea.
Truth be told, babes, it's the truth me that focus on the work. Honestly, like, I never think about it. But me I love to hear what you have.
Like a mini sports bar.
Babes, I know say it can work. Because me dey on the ship and me see some nice bar design. And me can help with the layout.
You see? That can work. You hear music? Tourists there.
So that I want our dance class.
Yep. And you know, tourists attract tourists.
Sounds good. We go get the layout and see how far we can go with it.
Yeah, me da like to start as soon as possible. So, me
Babe,
don't...
yeah, hold on. Me have something to tell you.
I don't prank you gonna try prank me.
No, no prank. I might have to go back out again for the next cruise ship offer.
Karim, please tell me say a joke you make. Just tell me say a prank, please.
I no prank. You see, because I do so well under 1 year, them automatically recommend me I want to go on the next one. But the thing is, I know right now, I like 3 months time.
3 months the right round the cut. Yeah, ridiculous.
Babe, you know say me I do this for the money. Like if me do that 1 year, me can use one go and send her the money. Me can just deal with the bar. It have worth it. I'm gonna make it up to you.
It'll worth it. And you're gonna make it up to me.
Yes, me make it up to you.
Make it up to me right now.